Thank you for tuning into my channel again. This is a super quick install. This is on some Spyder LED taillights for my 1500 2020 Ram Classic. I just wanted to upgrade them. They're just the halogen basic ones that come with those trucks. And I've seen some really nice ones on Amazon. I've seen them on like other people's videos. And I thought, well, I want to do it, but I don't want to buy the cheap stuff because I don't want them to like make my CAN bus system all jittery and light up and all that crap. So what I did is I made a small investment and I got them from Spyder, and I put them in today. It literally took me like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm not kidding. It's 2 bolts, they slide out, and then you just put the new ones in, you put the T20 bolts back in, and that's pretty much it. Well, I digress. There's a little bit more to it than that. You're just gonna basically pull out both your lights out of the back of the existing taillight that you already have. And then you're gonna keep the bulb for the reverse. So the bulb will be replaced on the upper brake light and auxiliary to like a really small LED lead that plugs into your socket where you take the bulb out. It's pretty cool, it's pretty easy. You'll see it in the video, but thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope this helps you make a decision or to help you understand how easy it is to do. Anybody can do this. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Thanks for watching. All right, this is going to be a really quick unboxing and install of some new Spyder LED taillights I got for my 2020 Ram Classic 1500. So I've already opened the box here. I've already cut it, so let's just open it up and see what we got inside here. Nice packaging so far. Not bad. Right. That's the first one out. Ooh, shrink wrap. Beautiful shrink wrap. Beautiful shrink wrap. All right. Okay, so there we go. It looks like that would be the driver's side. Not bad. Let's put this aside. We'll grab the other one. Box. This will be, of course, the passenger side. Very nice, very beautiful, as they say in Europe. So there we go. So again, you're going to reuse your reverse halogen bulb that'll just slide inside here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to use your halogen plug for your regular brake light and stuff that'll go into the LED slot right here. This thing. So you'll plug. See the light there? Yeah. So you're going to plug this into your light socket of your halogen bulb, and then this will just screw back into there, and that'll be it. Bob's your uncle. So there we go. Without further ado, we will put these suckers on my truck, and hopefully they work and look good. We'll see. Okay, so let's take off these 2 T20 bolts. Now, if you've got a DZ tailgate assist like me, you'll have to take that off before you can actually get both bolts out. All right, now with the DZ easy downer removed, I can get to my T20. Okay. Now with both T20 bolts out, you can just grab that taillight assembly and pull it straight out. Straight back. There we go. So twist those counterclockwise. Done. Take your bulb out, because you're not going to need that. Go, turn that in. Make sure you got black with black. And again, line it up with the plastic. always recommend hand tighten these and actually use a wrench or a power tool just to make sure you're threaded in there so you're not cross-threading the stuff. There we go, we're in. All right, I'm gonna put the easy downer back on. Done. Done. So all the bolts are back on. Tail lights are in.